The garage can be a space to do things. It can be a space for crafts. It can be a space for working out, for your hobbies. I'm Conway Reimer, and this is Garage Living. Garage living is really about creating great space out of the garage. So we go in and we transform that room and really make it an extension of the house. It doesn't have to be just the place where you dump stuff. It can actually be a functional room that you really value, like the other rooms in your home. There's an opportunity to rethink the garage. Think big. So my wife Jennifer and I own the business, and we started the business together, getting close to 4 years now. We both had corporate backgrounds, but we also had both run our own small businesses. So we had an entrepreneurial bent. When we made the decision that we were going to leave kind of that corporate world and we were going to do something on our own, we were interested in doing something that had a couple different pieces. Number one, we wanted to have a creative focus to what we did. We wanted quality to be part of that, a craftsmanship associated with it. And then we also wanted to be able to build an organization that really has enterprise scale, because it was really important for us to be able to provide career paths for our people, that we could hire someone on and have the opportunity to advance them through the organization. One of the most memorable projects here that we've done actually in the Dallas area was a project that was a big investment for the client. We went through a few different design phases and make sure that we got it right. We ended up doing a complete wall of cabinetry, flooring, car lift, wall storage, diamond plate, specialty lighting. We even got to do some custom things. We've got a door that opens up with a TV, and behind that we're able to put a kind of a little secret spot for an antique gun collection that you wouldn't know was there, but when you open up the TV, lights come on automatically and highlight that collection. It was a really challenging project, but the end result was just exceptional.